Karachi. This is day one. So I just arrived yesterday night, like Fahrenheit from Lahore. And we are starting the scouting for the partners for Mariah. Today I have in my plan like 4 or 5 places that I need to visit and discuss with them the partnership of distribution for the Karachi market. So I'm so excited for this and let's go. You will follow up with me during the whole day. What are all the outlets that we are talking to? So I hope that Karachi people will be happy to have Mariah in their salon and spas.
It all goes through head office, and then they will ask us if we have space and the store to keep it. Then we decide where, how, and where we keep it. But all inductions, like new products, go to the head office. Sorry, I think this out.
So we are here at Springs and we are checking like a little bit the price points. Actually, my products are really much less expensive than this, and the quality maybe 3 or 5 times better. So we are here exploring a little bit what are the kind of product. There is some Korean products here. The body shop, it's I think British. I think it comes from the UK, and then there is all this L'Oreal and very cheap stuff. Technically, the SPF actually it's a really good subsector, let's say, of the skincare. And of course we have co-naturals right now. Ooh. So we are visiting a second salon, only PHA. The idea is to be able to see how is the market here in Karachi. Looks like they're putting bikini. It's not on my plan, but it can be.
I would like it to be. I would really like it if you can offer us baby.
I mean, I'm Moroccan, so it's for me very easy to show you how we can use this. Oh, that's a really nice space. I just take some videos.
There is promotion.
Inshallah, I mean, that's the idea. It's like to be able to promote each other.
Yeah, come.
Oh, next spot. Assalamu alaikum. So we are actually in our journey, a trip to visit some spas and salons here in Karachi. So I visited one shop, it's like Springs. They already say that, I mean, she submitted to the head office the requests, but unfortunately they said they are not taking any more products on this category. So we'll see what's gonna happen, inshallah, later. I mean, if it's meant to be, it will happen. Anyway, I've seen they have already so many imported products that they import themselves, like Korean products, so they don't have Moroccan products yet. So maybe it's gonna be the first, but maybe it's not the exact right time. But the local spas I've seen this morning, most of them, they were like very open to it. So the idea is to really partner with only the best, like 3 to 5 would be more than enough at Karachi market, and having people over to really imagine creating like a distribution partnership for Mariah, and our customers can come and try the products and feel it and smell it and enjoy it either in the spa or in their houses. This is the main idea. Today's Jummah, so it's a little bit messy, especially next to the mosques. So let's try this cup salt everyone told me about. Let's then try it and see what it looks like. Alaikum. It's kind of futuristic style. It's like so good. Kind of like coconut water. and some leftovers. Very lovely. So yeah, I'm taking like a little break on the day with like the visit from this morning. Most of the salons, I'm quite shocked. They were telling me that my prices are very reasonable. So I think that I need to raise a little bit my prices. This was a lunch definitely prices that we have done. So to really make people understand and try the product first and enjoy it. But more and more hearing that the quality of the products we are offering, there is no similar quality at all in terms of what you get in Pakistan. Even the lab, because I'm trying to explore to work with a Pakistani lab to import only the raw material from Morocco and be able to do it here in Pakistan. The problem is no labs. It looks like he's able to do what we are doing already with Mariah Rituals, wine manufacturing in Morocco. There's going to be a bit of a challenge to be able to have the right products with the right quality on the very short and mid-term. I mean, made in Pakistan with only raw material imported. That will give us like the flexibility a little bit more because every time now I need to reorder stock. So we're talking about 3 months minimum if it's not more. But what I think like the products, if you take 5 months just to figure out all this development, manufacturing, and logistics part. So it's a little bit slow as I was expecting, but it needs a lot of patience. So I'm so excited for all the products on online very soon, like in the next 3 months, 6 more products. The deal partner is coming in probably May, Pakistan. It took us so long to be able to develop it with our lab in Morocco, in Agadir, because all what existed in the market, people just buy the powder, like the raw powder, which is for me was not the main objective when we are talking about creating a really ritual focused line, body care line or skincare or whatever. So it has to be ready to use and it has to reflect also the premiumness and the luxury of the feeling, the smell, the texture, the packaging of the product is important. So we finally figured out a way to stabilize it chemically. Let's say the chemists here will understand what I'm talking about because all the natural products are very volatile. So it means that it's very hard to keep their characteristic on the long term to keep the products efficient without adding too much chemicals and harmful chemicals. So yeah, it's the main idea. But exploring the Karachi market, especially after the very good response we had in the Salons Karachi last time, it is something that really touched my heart. And I feel like people are already having acceptability of the product. We just now we need to make it available on the best spots and partner with the very premium spaces. My focus definitely will be salons, spas, and probably some hotels. I'll be staying in Ambience Hotel in the next 2 days. So I probably check with them if there is a possibility that we can work together. I guess it's going to be really interesting because it's a hotel chain that I really love. Very recent in Pakistan. It's like a boutique art hotel. I believe that it really aligns with the name and the mindset and the personality of the brand that are building with Mariah Rituals here in Pakistan and also in the region and globally. So yeah, let's see. So, if you'd have told me like just few months or maybe 1 year back that I'll be probably roaming Karachi, meeting salons, spas, and potential partners, I would have laughed. I was like, what? That's not possible. Like, how are you doing this, girl? But now it's 2026, so we are starting the year with these kind of operations because I feel like there is a huge gap in the market that needs to be filled. I just has been at Dehra Abbas salon and spa. It's just beautiful. I think it's the best place I've ever seen here in Pakistan. Love the vibe. It's very elegant, very calm, very lot of attention to the details. I was actually really surprised, and would probably go on a partnership as a distributor partner with them, because I feel that that's where Mariah Rituals belongs. Nothing less than this standards. So we'll see what's gonna happen. I probably gonna meet the owner tomorrow. The meeting has to be set tonight or tomorrow morning, and I'll have the chance to re-explain the products and reintroduce something new, something authentic, and also efficient with clean ingredients. I never say it's enough, but our products, there is nothing like this in Pakistan. With the confirmation of many, many labs that I met here in Pakistan, they are unable to replicate the same products. So this is definitely our edge as Mariah Rituals in this Pakistani market. And I hope that we can have the same impacts on the MENA region, and also, why not, on the international and global level. This is the vision. So we're starting with small baby steps, of course, but the vision is quite big. It's quite scary sometimes, but I think if your dream doesn't scare you, it means they are not big enough. So it's a belief that I really have from long time ago, and I'm ready for playing the big game. So keep in touch. So this is our kind of closing day one in terms of prospection, and let's see what day two is bringing for us. Stay tuned. Day two in Karachi. I'm actually a little bit tired, to be honest. I feel a bit down, I have to recognize, because entrepreneurship is not perfect and it's not great every day and every time. Sometimes you're just like, why I'm doing all this? Why I'm giving myself all this hard time? So I'm in this kind of energy this morning, though I have not much appointments booked. I have only two, so I feel like I'm kind of wasting my day here in Karachi. But two official appointments and two with some friends that also can help me out and give me some ideas, probably for collaborating with the right people in this market. So I have to see Ray Tree today, and I'll probably go up there, also meet the oldest spa here in Karachi and probably in Pakistan. It's a lady that has introduced this the first time 22 years back. So she was kind of a visionary, definitely. So we'll meet and see. I think there is probably a lot of things to learn from such an experienced person. I have also some options of influencers, but I always think that I need to have a 360 degrees marketing strategy to really make it work and drive the right sales as we want. The e-commerce is a bit slow, to be honest, which is normal, I think, from a market like Pakistan, where there is not much trust, especially in cosmetics, because there is a lot of counterfeit, there's a lot of bad product, there's a lot of fake products, and just making a page and paying for $20 or $30 of ads doesn't make you a real brand, so people don't trust. They've been scammed so many times. So cosmetic is not the easiest, it's maybe the most difficult, I say, in terms of e-commerce, not like clothes. So that's why I actually underestimate this small challenge. But I think now we're going to wrap up and come up with a 360 degree strategy, which has the offline part and the online part. This can make the whole difference. We keep up the energy and the work and the effort, and you'll follow up with me today. So So this morning we are going to the farmers market. I just got to know about it last day in a party actually here in Karachi, and I'll probably go with Mariah. Maybe I'll have a small corner to showcase it. Can be fun, and also get to meet again people here in Karachi, especially from the Clifton area and DHA. So we'll see how it goes. I'm actually so tired. I slept very late yesterday, Karachi life. And but I mean, when there is business, you don't have a choice. You just like need to go and straight. I think we are closing this Mariah chapter right now, and a new chapter is starting in Karachi, started from tomorrow morning. Stay tuned for that.